In all this excitement of getting a bus to convert into a home, I kind of forgot to mention one thing. After about a year and a half, I can't believe that it's finally here. Why did it take that long? Well, I'll get into that in a minute, but I'm just looking through this book and seeing all the details, all the layers, all the intricacy that I did, starting from scratch, never working in a digital illustration program before, and feeling an amazing sense of achievement that I actually got this done. And it's available in bookshops everywhere, so check out the Elijah and Crumpet kids book, Motivate Man, Raising Down Syndrome Awareness.
And you can purchase it now from the link in the description.
So looking back, would I do anything differently? Well, I think I would have gotten a lot more organised with my files. I would have really worked out my style before diving into it. And not just working out my style, but working out the workflow for my style so I could be able to reproduce it quickly and efficiently so the project didn't keep dragging out. Because I was learning Adobe Draw at that time, I would have prioritised my art and stopped self-sabotaging so I could get things done. Because now I'm getting ready for the next book.